This is Captain Jim Flynn. The people you see today are some friends that vary in kayaking experience.
I don't know how she's doing that.
Okay, you feel...
I just feel wobbly.
It is a little wobbly, but...
Once you get out there, you'll be fine.
Paddle.
I don't know how to do that.
Forward. Paddle. Now use the other side.
That's scary.
Just do the other one.
One of them is a first timer. We're on the Little Manatee River today, which flows out of Central Florida through Ruskin to Tampa Bay. The sit-on-top kayaks are very stable and user-friendly for a nice quiet day on a tree-covered river. We're not here to race or have any endurance issues. We're here for a nice float down the river. There's always something new or different to see every time you're on the Little Manatee River. The river has a lot of photo ops. There's turtles, birds, other wildlife, lots of pretty plants, and the scenery is great. Most of the trips are self-guided. A guide can be provided if requested. I also provide a shuttle service for people that own kayaks that'll allow you to see more of the river and save you from having to paddle back to your put-in point. I'll pick you up at your vehicle, put you in the water, meet you 2 to 3 hours later, and take you back to your vehicle for a minimum charge.
I was really nervous when I first got in. Thought I was gonna flip over, but got used to it within 5-10 minutes, and it was okay after that. I would definitely go kayaking again.
Come and enjoy the Little Manatee River and the South Shore of Tampa Bay.